Hello. Okay, we bought this tractor backhoe loader for some projects around the farm. We've done everything we need. It's helped build the workshop, put a culvert in, dig our electrical cables underground. So basically it's got to the point now we don't need it at the moment. Seems a shame to sort of sat there, so going to put the money to other use. So it's for sale. We've had it for close to 3.5-4 years now. Great little machine. Did have to put rear tyres on it pretty much as soon as that, so the tyres have, well, probably done about 4 miles if that. Rebuilt one of the cylinders here. The piston seals were a little worn, so the cylinder was a bit weak. Rebuilt that, did a starter motor on it, put a new battery on it. What else have we done? Changed the power hose at the front here that goes to the pump. Not much, to be honest. The hose was annoying because I was actually trying to use it at the time, but she's a good little, reliable 3-litre 3-cylinder diesel. Yes, it's fully working at the moment. How can I say? It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but it does its job. It's got I think it's about a 20-inch bucket, maybe an 18-inch bucket, I can't remember. Anyway, I'll hand you over to the wife and I'll show you it running. Yeah, I do this. It does have 2 forward speeds, 2 reverse speeds, and then it has a high-low ratio. Wouldn't recommend going particularly very fast in it. Not the most stable of things, especially with the weight hanging off the back. But it's been a great backhoe for me. And the first winter we used it as a snowplow. Not quite as good for that, but it is. It's been great for construction projects. So there you go, fully working on it. Located in Winton, about 1 kilometre south of the Calgary city. So, okay.